Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Free Fire game on your device. So let's get started right away. Now, while you're playing the Free Fire game, every time you open it up, the game is automatically set to check for updates. So you will not need to manually update your game in most cases. However, if you haven't played the game for a long time, and if you have auto update turned off on your Play Store, then in order to update the game, tap open the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Then go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in Free Fire and start your search. Once you find the Free Fire game, if your game has not been updated for a very long time, you will likely see the update button instead of play. So go ahead and tap on update, and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates for the Free Fire game. Just wait for a while until the update process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button once again. Now tap on the play button and your game will fully be updated to the latest version. After an update, it might still download a few other resources to make sure that your gameplay is smooth enough. So just wait for the download to finish and you will be taken into your game homepage if you have logged in already, or you will be asked to log in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Free Fire game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.